Have you ever felt like the market was against you? You study the charts, you make the trades, and still, you lose. You're not alone. Every successful trader has been there. But what separates the losers from the winners is mindset, discipline, and clarity. Jacob Bernstein's The Ultimate Day Trader isn't just a book, it's a wake-up call. A call to transform the way you trade and the way you think. Jacob Bernstein has lived through bull markets, bear markets, and everything in between. He's not a social media guru, he's a veteran trader with over 40 years in the trenches. His book is filled with truths that most traders never hear. No fluff, no hype, just reality. The kind of wisdom that hits you hard and stays with you forever. Bernstein's main message is this: success in trading is 80% mindset and only 20% strategy. Think about that. Most traders spend years chasing the perfect indicator, when the real edge is emotional control, discipline, and consistency. Your brain, not your broker, is your most powerful trading tool. The market doesn't reward emotion, it punishes it. Bernstein says, traders fail not because their analysis is wrong, but because their emotions override it. Ever jumped into a trade out of FOMO, held onto a losing trade out of hope? That's your emotional brain sabotaging your strategy. Winning traders don't react, they execute. Bernstein insists, every trade must have a reason. That means entry logic, risk level, target price, exit strategy. Without this plan, you're flipping coins. With it, you're building a system. The market respects preparation. Are you prepared? Traders often drown in indicators, thinking more tools mean more accuracy. But Bernstein warns, complexity kills clarity. He teaches how to use just a few key tools, like moving averages, momentum indicators, and seasonality patterns. Why? Because trading isn't about looking smart, it's about making smart decisions. Bernstein drops a truth bomb. Overtrading is the fastest way to empty your account. More trades do not mean more profits. Smart traders wait for high probability setups. They're patient, they're picky. They know, the fewer the trades, the greater the focus. And where focus goes, profits follow. Here's the golden rule Bernstein teaches. Your #1 job as a trader is not to make money, it's to protect your money. That's why he hammers on. Setting stop losses, sizing your trades properly, never risking more than 1–2% of your account per trade. One big loss can wipe out 10 good trades. Protect your capital like your life depends on it, because in this game, it does. Hobbies are fun. Businesses make money. If you want to be consistent, you have to get serious. Track your trades, review your mistakes, build a daily routine. Bernstein says, winners treat trading like a business, with systems, goals, and accountability. So ask yourself, is your trading a hobby or a business? Not every trade will win, but every trade teaches. Bernstein reminds us it's not about being right, it's about being profitable. Stay consistent, stick to your edge, focus on execution, not the results. Because profits follow process. You might be struggling right now. You might feel lost, frustrated, or ready to quit. But remember this, every successful trader was once where you are. They kept learning, they kept refining, they never gave up. You have what it takes. The knowledge is here, the decision is yours. Will you rise or repeat? Discipline, patience, and preparation. These are the real edges in trading. Jacob Bernstein. If this inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Hit like, subscribe, and share with your fellow traders. This journey is tough, but you're not alone. Together, we trade smarter. Together, we grow. Let's go.